DJ Zeus.
This is the new carbon fiber spoiler that I got from JC Sportline on AliExpress.com. Link for this will be in the description below as well, so you guys can pick up one of these. Not an affiliate link, not sponsored by them. This was purchased with my own money, as well as the front lip that I installed. Video for that will be right there, so check that out. Okay, so I got the spoiler off of the trunk deck. I did wipe it down. I used some Windex and a cloth. I didn't really have anything else to clean it with, but that's what I used. Luckily, removing the 3M tape from the spoiler that I just took off was still intact, because I just did that like 2 months ago. Basically, I removed the plastic dip from it because I did have it painted black, and I wanted it to be white to be, to kind of just match. So I had to take off the 3M tape at that point, and that shit was a pain in the ass because I didn't have like that little rubber circular thing that goes on a drill bit to like remove all that 3M tape. So I had to scrub that basically with the credit card, and it took me like an hour to do that just for this one little strip on the trunk. So with that being said, did that 2 months ago. So luckily the 3M tape was still intact on this one, so it was pretty much easy to remove. And I just did a fitment test on this guy, and this is pretty much what it's going to look like. And obviously there's not going to be a gap right there because it will be mounted properly. Okay, so I have it sitting here in the sun. That's not going to do a whole lot, but I did bust out the blow dryer, and I put it on the hot setting because I don't have a heat gun, but I want to at least warm it up enough to where it's installing on a nice warm surface and not something cold, because I don't want it peeling in the future. So I already heated up this part. It's a little warm. Like I said, I don't have a heat gun, but it is a little warm. I'm gonna heat up the actual strip of tape on the spoiler itself, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there for you guys. Alright, so aside from the 3M tape that's actually on the spoiler itself, I have some 3M plastic emblem and trim adhesive that I'm going to be pouring in between the 3M tape just as an extra precaution or whatever. But the thing that kind of sucks about it is, like, once this is on, it's kind of like it's kind of on there, and I think I would need a heat gun to actually remove it, but I don't plan on taking that off. So. And I don't want anyone else to take it off either. Should have wore gloves, you guys, because my hands are kind of sweaty. I forgot I was still recording, but there you guys have it. I got the carbon fiber spoiler on. Got some painter's tape just to hold it in place for now. Should be good. Just feeling on the spoiler itself when I was installing it, that shit was like hot to the touch. So shouldn't have any issues with the adhesion. And like I said, I got the 3M tape on there, as well as the 3M glue that's in between where the tape was, so that should hold it down a lot more secure. It does kind of lift a little bit on the edges, so that hopefully this tape will hold it down, but like it shouldn't be that big of an issue. Yeah, it's not too bad. But yeah, it's done.